The Hazen-Williams pipe. Interactive calculator solves hydraulic flow problems in pressurized pipes using the empirical Hazen-Williams equation. Let's explore the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate flow rate, head loss, pipe diameter, C coefficient, velocity, and pressure drop, or required pipe length. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Flow Rate. Next, enter your pipe diameter in inches, then input your pipe length in feet. The Hazen-Williams C coefficient represents pipe roughness. Enter your flow rate in gallons per minute. Input your head loss in feet. Finally, enter your hydraulic slope in feet per foot. Here's a worked example. I'll input 10 for pipe diameter, 10 for pipe length, 10 for Hazen-Williams C, 10 for flow rate, 10 for head loss, and 10 for hydraulic slope. After clicking Calculate, the results show a flow rate of 1885.48 gallons per minute. The flow velocity is 7.7 feet per second. The hydraulic slope equals 1 foot per foot. The pressure drop is 4.33 psi. The system warns that the low C value indicates poor pipe condition. This tool streamlines hydraulic calculations for pipeline design. Find the link in the description below.